Hey people, so I'm at this place called Penguin Pops, and the kind of ice cream here is like for 50 bucks you get this huge big thing, and it is just out of this world, yeah. And if you were to take a look at the menu card, it is so pocket friendly, it just warms one's heart. So, like, this is the kind of rose milk and all, and then you have even pancakes. So Fairyland, what, 129? Honestly, the very same thing at a cafe would cost 3 times as much. Like, this is for 50 bucks. I ate half of the ice cream and it's for 50 bucks. Same thing, you would get it for like 200, 300, I think. Wow, dark chocolate. And this place is called Penguin Pops. It's at the JNTU metro station, and it is a must try, really. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.